Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature 5 hot must-see hair transformations. From the pixie haircut to bold copper hair to the bob and of course money piece highlights. If you are looking for a new hairstyle idea, chances are you just might find it in today's video. If you feel inspired by any of these hot hair trends and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now without further ado, let's take a look at these 5 hot must-see hair transformations.